Hi, I'm Jim N4BFR. You may know me from doing some of the coronavirus daily updates here in Georgia. I keep track of what the state is reporting and help people understand the context of the changes in a particular day and week. And with that in mind, I thought it might be a good time to look back at the month of July. It certainly has been an interesting month, and I think we've got some news for the governor that he's going to want to understand and just really have a sign for how we did this month. So let's take a look at our Georgia achievements for COVID-19 in July. And the first one, 105 new cases in a month. That is more cases in a month than we had in the first 4 months of the pandemic. So if you look at March through June, we only had about 80,000 cases, and we had a nice steady pace going. July, the cases hit the fan, and we doubled the entire number of cases we had in the state, and then some in 1 month. So we are closing in on 200,000 really fast for the number of cases. We also had nearly 1,000 fatalities this month reported. That was up 25% from last month. So we've, gotten the fatality rate up. If you compare that to the size of some Georgia towns, I'm sorry to say the town of Quitman would have been completely wiped out in the coronavirus if we had lost a single town to this. So Quitman, I apologize to you, but I hope we don't have to lose another Quitman here in the next few months. We passed 3,200 people in the hospital in a single day. That is a lot of people in the hospital. That's twice as many people in a day that were in the hospital at the end of June. So we are really filling up the hospitals. And you know what? Hospitals are big business. The governor's office even said today that they were adding more space, like at the Georgia World Congress Center, to help hospital systems avoid canceling those money-making elective surgeries just because they had to take care of these poor coronavirus patients and tax their nurses and their facilities. So schedule that elective surgery now because Governor Kemp is opening up space for you. We also made big leaps in our competition against other states this month. Georgia started off 9th in the state ranking this month for coronavirus cases. That was fighting below our weight. We are the 8th most popular state. We should at least be the 8th most popular state for coronavirus, right? We passed that early in the month, and we kept going. We passed New Jersey. We passed Arizona. We passed Illinois. We are number 5 on the list now. We're only behind California, Texas, New York, and Florida. Way to go, Georgia. Way to go, Governor Kemp. We got our numbers up. We are finally up where we belong in the state rankings. And finally, just an overall view of the guy who's told us we don't need to wear masks. We don't need to require masks because people will do the right thing. This is what we've gotten for doing the right thing. 1,000 people dead, 100,000 new cases, and our packed hospital. So thanks, Governor Kemp. We couldn't have done it without you. And we'll hopefully not have to do it again next month.